Mr. Speaker, I thank you, honorable colleagues. Nnamdi is my name, and I represent Ndokwa Okwani Federal Constituency. Mr. Speaker, I'm from Delta State. I rise here this morning to move a motion on the need to construct coastal road to connect communities in Ndokwa Okwani Federal Constituency of Delta State. The House notes the transportation challenges experienced by residents of the River Niger coastal communities spanning from Asaba, Oko in Osumli South local government area to Abalosumli, Uchi, Okpai, Abaragada, Abo, Umoru, Onya, Osafo, Ndokwa East local government area, approximately 102 kilometers. The House also notes that the proposed road will pass through Nigerian major oil and gas producing communities, which are home to the largest natural gas reserve in West African sub-region. Aware that a long-standing plea for coastal road in Ndokwa East local government area is needed to bridge the gap with urban areas, particularly the capital city of Asaba, to improve accessibility to essential services like quality healthcare, social amenities, and job opportunities. They are also aware that the proposed coastal road will enhance connectivity, transportation, infrastructure, and agricultural development in Ndokwa coastal communities, improving overall living standard and addressing the limited accessibility. Recognizes that Ndokwa East coastal communities are comprised of agricultural settlements renowned to producing farm produce such as yams, cassavas, plantains, but the absence of proper transportation hampers accessibility to marketers, impedes economic progress. Cognizant of the limitations of transporting agricultural produce from Ndokwa coastal communities to market. Also, that the constructing the coastal road, which establish a direct and reliable route, facilitating the transportation of commuters and distribution of agricultural products. Further note the tremendous economic potentials of agriculture and connectivity. The study of highlights the economic potential of agriculture and the connectivity benefit of a coastal road and the Asaba-Onitsha Bridge, which connects coastal communities. To neighboring communities, we boast commerce and transportation efficiency, thus creating opportunity for regional trade and enhancing overall nation's overall economic development. Also recognize the importance of linking Asaba and the second Niger Bridge to the vibrant Onitsha market, the largest market in West Africa, will unlock immense economic opportunities, promoting trade and commerce, and attracting investment to the region. Resolves: urge the Federal Ministry of Works to include construction of Oko, Abala, Osumli, Uchi, Okpai, Abaragada, Abo, Umoru, Onya, Osafo Road through the Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, in the 2024 budget estimate. Also urge the Federal Ministry of Works, Niger Delta Affairs, Delta State Government, and Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, to collaborate with the private investors and local communities to ensure implementation of the infrastructure projects. And finally, Mr. Speaker, mandate the Committee on NDDC, Works and Appropriation to ensure compliance. Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I so move.
My name is Dr. Gali Mustafa Tijani, representing the good people of Albasu, Gayajing Federal Constituency. I rise to second the motion.
Those in support of this motion should say aye. Those against should say nay. The ayes have it. This motion is referred to the Committee on Niger Delta Development Commission, Works and Appropriation for further legislative actions.